you think this is starting to wear on me? You've been raining down like hail. I'm weak. I have tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something you own. It's too late to repair what we made. What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon.
Alright, let's see what is inside this month's SewHayleyJane box, and it is absolutely beautiful. Starting off is this needle minder by the company Resin Be Thankful, and the lady who runs that little company is called Sarah, and yeah, she has created this needle minder, and inside there are pieces of little plastic. So the emphasis on Sarah's company is to reuse and recycle, and yeah, it looks very, very pretty. On the reverse there of the card, Sarah explains about her handmade needle minder, and I just think that's a lovely touch, so everybody can kind of understand Sarah's values behind the product. Then we have inch wire elastic, and I believe that's about a yard in length, and also some white polyester Gutterman thread. Hayley always includes candy each and every month, and that always varies, so yeah, this candy I do not eat, so I will pass this to a friend. Then we have the 4 fat quarters, and I subscribe to the classic box, which is the middle tier. You also get the mini box, which is the first tier, and then the luxury, which is the 3rd tier. First up, we have this beautiful coral colorway with this floral design. All the fat quarters are a cotton fabric, and yeah, this is so beautiful. I really like coral. Then we have this really pretty design with these bicycles on, and yeah, if you guys are ever stuck for ideas what to do with fat quarters, again it depends on your size and if you'd like to play around with 2 or 3 different fabrics, but again you could eke out a little small tee, little shirt or something, but for the most part ideas are such as pocket bags, hair scrunchies, maybe anything for the pets, dolls' clothes, stuffed animals' clothes, anything like that. Then we have another floral, and the colourway is a navy background, and just to open it out so you can see that some of the floral is a little bit of a different colour there, and yeah, really like that one as well. I like everything, to be fair. There is nothing I do not like in this box this month. For the final fat quarter, it has depictions of umbrellas, and that is on a minty background. Really like that colour. Then each month Hayley puts a book in, and it's 31 already. I mean, wow, that's like just over 2.5 years, and very apt considering I am in the garden. And it's called Escape to the Country. I kind of live in the country, I guess, as well, so always starts off with a welcome hello from the wonderful Hayley herself. Then we have an interview with Sarah, who created the needle minder, and there she is there. Then I will just do a little sneak peek of a lady called Kirsty, which is make of the month, and she used that beautiful fabric there. Then we have 3 boxes, 3 makes, so that's 3 ladies, which is Esther, Laura and Gemma. We have Timlin from Sewn on a Time, which is a fat quarter project, so I am not going to show you guys. I'm only giving you guys a sneaky peek, and yeah, so a few ideas if you're a little bit stuck as to what to do with your fat quarters or any other fabric similarly sized. We have a little page on Hayley's little links here, and over the page there's a profile on a lady called Addie. There is an interview with the wonderful Andrea in her company's experimental space, and I have met the wonderful Andrea and she's lovely. Pigeon pics from the Fold Line ladies here, so a little bit of a sneak peek there for you. Righto, so finally finishing off with the SewHayleyJane community, which is the Makers Gallery, and yeah, just a quick sneaky peek there. And now for the main fabric, which is in length 2.5 yards, which is what you get in the classic box, the middle tier, and it is absolutely beautiful, and I'm really excited to sew with this. I have an idea. I'm kind of thinking of a relaxed kind of long, just above the knee length shirt. I may self-draft, or I may go through my patterns and kind of just have a bit of play around with a pattern, but I'm kind of thinking maybe a little keyhole neckline with a tie, and then just kind of the sloppy but tidy look, something relaxed that you can kind of put on a warm day real quick. And yeah, I may or may not decide on breast pockets, I might do, and then maybe make a little self-tie belt to go around the waist. And I was kind of debating a little bit what hem, whether to have a straight hem or a curved hem. I prefer the look of a curved hem, but it is just when you come to kind of actually then hemming it, yeah, and even if I decided to hem it by hand, I don't know, I just sometimes curved hems are a little bit of a nightmare to stitch when you do like a little tiny double fold hem, or even if you use kind of a little bit of bias binding. Now anybody that has worked with and or touched double gauze, it is so soft to the touch, and yeah, good to work with. And yeah, I have a couple of double gauzes now in my collection, and I kind of need to get sewing, don't I? Righto, so that is it of this month's SewHayleyJane unboxing. And also, for those of you that kind of come by my channel, some of you may be aware of the Sewing Weekender, and I was very brave, and with Michelle from Sewing Bunny, we both went on Zoom number 2 or chat room number 2 yesterday, and yeah, hung out with some of the ladies there. So if you guys have watched this and you would like to come by and say g'day, I will be again in chat room number 2, and I may go to the other chat rooms if you guys are in those, and yeah, see what everybody is up to. That said, I guess that everybody's going to be busy zooming in the chat rooms, sewing, and yeah, kind of catching up. So yeah, but yeah, if you do happen to come by, and yeah, it'd be good to kind of meet some of you guys if you are on the Sewing Weekender, but no worries if not, because obviously it's the last day for that today. Okay, I hope you enjoyed what was in this month's SewHayleyJane. If you like this video, please give me a quick thumbs up, and all I'd say is thank you so much for stopping by. All being well guys, I will see you on Friday for Friday sews. Have a great week, and thank you so much for stopping by as always.